Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the second chapter of 2A, that is De Moivre's theorem. Okay, so this is De Moivre's theorem means De Moivre means the name of the scientist. He invited the cos plus I sin theta whole power n. So it is nothing but in 2A also algebraic expressions a plus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole power 4, like that expansions are there. So same in the complex numbers also, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole power 10, a plus b whole power n, like that. And also a plus b whole power minus 1, a plus b whole power minus 2, a plus b whole power minus 3. Some expansion like that for any. The De Moivre is proved by the, which one means if n is an integer, next one theta belongs to R. Theta belongs to R. Theta is a real number and n is an integer. So then what is the proof that cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. That means we can prove this one simple but it has proved in 7 marks. Again I will explain that. So cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Same in the second one, cos theta minus I sin theta whole power n equal to, similarly cos n theta minus I sin n theta. This is the first theorem of in this De Moivre's theorem. Okay, so next, this is first definition, and second one is if x is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, next one 1 by x equal to cos theta minus I sin theta. Okay, then 1 by x equal to cos theta minus I sin theta. ఎందుకంటే మనం కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్లో మనం చేసాము z ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఐవై, అంటే z ఈక్వల్ టు కాస్ థీటా ప్లస్ ఐ సైన్ థీటా అయితే 1 బై z ఈక్వల్ టు కాస్ థీటా మైనస్ ఐ సైన్ థీటా అవుతుంది. సో సిమిలర్లీ, సో నౌ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 1 బై ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు దిస్ వన్ ప్లస్ దిస్ వన్. సో లెస్ కదమ్మా, కాస్తా సేమ్ 2 కాస్ థీటా అవుతుందండి, మైనస్ ఐ ప్లస్ ఐ సైన్ థీటా మైనస్ ఐ సైన్ థీటా, దోస్ ఆర్ 2 క్యాన్సల్, 2 కాస్ థీటా. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 1 బై ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 1 బై ఎక్స్ కాస్ థీటా ప్లస్ ఐ సైన్ థీటా minus 1 by x value, this one means cos theta minus I sin theta. That is nothing but cos theta plus I sin theta minus cos theta minus 2 minus plus I sin theta. So there cos theta is cancelled, then 2I sin theta, 2I sin theta. Okay, so simple see x plus 1 by x అంటే this one plus this one, ఇది ప్లస్ ఇది మైనస్ కాబట్టి రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే 2 cos రాస్తున్నాము. ఒకవేళ మైనస్ తీసుకున్నట్టయితే ఇన్ దిస్ కేసులో కాస్ థీటా క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే 2i sin theta అవుతుందండి. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ సేమ్ లైక్ దిస్ థర్డ్ వన్, if x equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta, then and 1 by x equal to cos n theta minus I sin n theta. So ఇలా కండిషన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ వన్ సేమ్ x ప్లస్ 1 బై x ఉన్నప్పుడు సో కాస్ థీటా ప్లేస్లో కాస్ n theta ఉందమ్మా నథింగ్. సో దిస్ టూ ఆర్ క్యాన్సల్, 2 cos n theta. సెకండ్ వన్ x minus 1 by x equal to 2i sin n theta. This is for cos n theta and sin n theta. Next, okay, note and note cos theta plus I sin theta can be written as a cis theta. Simply already complex numbers lo discuss chesam. So cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to cis theta. C for cos theta plus I into S means sin theta. Simply we can write. Similarly, in this case, first one cos theta means okay, like this one. First one cis theta 1 into cis theta 2 is equal to cis of theta 1 plus theta. This one, and second one cis theta 1 by cis theta 2. Cis theta 1 by cis theta 2 is equal to cis of theta 1 minus theta 2. So it is dependent logarithm, like that logarithm function. Cos log of AB equal to log A plus log E. So there cis theta 1 plus cis theta 2 equal to cis theta 1 plus theta 2. There cis theta 1 by cis theta 2 equal to cis of theta 1 minus theta 2. So on third one, cis theta 1 into cis theta 2 into cis theta 3. So on cis theta n is equal to, which are all multiplication of them, then cis of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus so on plus theta n. So that the product means we should add that the angles. Okay. Next one, cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. What is the cube root of unity means? If cube roots of unity. So already we complex numbers lo discuss chesinapundi concept andi, nothing, the roots of x cube is equal to 1. X cube equal to 1 are called cube roots of the units. Are the called cube roots of unity, which are 1 comma omega square. So already we discussed in the complex numbers 1 comma omega square are cube roots. Okay ma, so their condition is 1 plus omega square equal to 0 and omega cube is equal to 1. Some conditions are there. So similarly in the De Moivre's theorem also, cube roots of unity is nothing but x cube equal to 1. So nothing but, you know, polynomials, third degree polynomials means 3 roots are possible or 3 zeros. So second degree polynomial means 2 zeros. X power n are there, then n roots are possible. Similarly, x cube is equal to 1 means there should be 3 zeros are possible. Okay. So which are it has cube roots are 1 comma omega square. So where 1 is clear, but omega is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 comma omega square equal to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. This is the cube roots of unity. Okay, so of course one more that one. This is fourth point. Next to fifth one. If 1 comma omega square are cube roots, same only again we discussing. Okay, first one 1 plus omega square equal to 0, and second one is must be omega cube equal to 1. Okay, next one, in this one, omega cube equal to 1. So, omega power 4 equal to omega cube into omega, nothing but 1 into omega is equal to omega. Next one, if we want value of omega 4.5, okay, this is omega square cube into omega square, nothing but 1 into omega square is equal to omega square. So similarly, omega power, for example, 10 we want. Okay now, omega power 6 means omega cube into omega cube. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So like that, omega power 10 is equal to omega cube into omega. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into omega equal to omega. Okay, this is the values of omega. Okay, mom. Next one. Nth roots of the complex numbers. Nth roots of the complex number. If z is equal to nth Saturday, sixth top concept, nth root of complex numbers. So what is the nth root of complex numbers? If z equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta, okay, z equal to r of cos theta plus I sin theta, then z power 1 by n, nth root of, okay, nth root of z power 1 by n equal to r power 1 by n of cis of 2k plus 1, cis of 2k plus 1, 2k pi plus theta whole by 2k pi plus theta by n. So where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on n. Okay, this is one of the concept. So up to there 1 n minus 1 mark తీసుకోవాల్సి ఎందుకంటే there 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నాము. k వాల్యూ ఫ్రమ్ 0 onwards నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి టోటల్ nth రూట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా. సో టోటల్ n minus 1. ఒకవేళ 0 తీసుకోకపోతే n రూట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆల్రెడీ 0 నుంచి కౌంట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి n minus 1 వరకు ఉంటుందండి. సో now I can tell me if z equal to r of cos theta plus I sin theta, then nth root of z is z power 1 by n, that is nothing but whole power 1 by n. This is nothing but whole power n means we can write down cis of 2k pi plus theta whole by theta whole by n number. 2k pi plus theta by n number. So where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on n minus 1 వరకు తీసుకోవాల్సి ఉంటుంది. So It is one of the most important formula. Okay, so let us discuss the problems. Almost all different formulas. Same complex numbers just some Dirichlet theorem additional use. Find the value of first one. Find the 2 marks problem sum. 2 marks problems. Find the value of 1 plus I root 3 whole power 3. Whole power 3. Okay. Simple. Solution. 1 plus I whole power root 3 whole power 3 is equal to. So, the so since under root of coefficient of real number 1 square plus root 3 whole square. So this is nothing but 1 plus 3 equal to root 4 equal to 2. So 2 30 multiplying and dividing 2 into 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 whole power 3. So here 2 30 multiplying and dividing whole power 3 is kunnappudu. So here this is 1. So is equal to 2 power 3. 2 power 3. This is 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2 whole power 3. Okay. So then 2 cube into this is can be written as the form of 2 cube is nothing but 8 cos theta for the which value for which angle of cos is 1 by 2 cos 60 degrees cos 60 degrees this is plus I sin of 60 degrees whole power 3 whole power 3. This is a solution. Next one from the De Moivre's theorem is 8 into what is the De Moivre's theorem? Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So there cos 3 into 60 degrees plus I into sin 3 into 60 degrees cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So there 8 into cos 180 degrees plus sin 3 6 180 degrees. Of course, we know very well cos 180 degrees is minus 1 plus I into sin 180 degrees is 0. So I into 0 0 minus 1. 8 into minus 1 equal to 8. So finally the conclusion answer is find the value of this one equal to 8 amount. How to get it? Just rationalizing amount. So then it is nothing but normal form anachandi. Normal form. First year lo geometry lo ganaka chusukunnatlaithe straight lines lo ax plus by plus c equal to 0 untadani em chestamo normal convert into the normal form unnappudu akkada ikkada ax plus by equal to c అని తీసుకెళ్తాము. ఓన్లీ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x a కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ y b ఈ రెండింటిని అంటే రూట్ తీసుకొని దాన్ని మల్టిప్లై అండ్ డివైడింగ్ చేస్తాం. సో దేర్ ఆల్సో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాని హోల్ స్క్వేర్ I కాకుండా రిమైనింగ్ టర్మ్ రూట్ 3 ప్లస్ రూట్ 3 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ క్యాన్సల్ 1 రూట్ 3 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే 3 ఈక్వల్ టు 4 రూట్ 4 అమ్మ దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 2. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ 2 తోటి ఏంటంటే మల్టిప్లైయింగ్ అంటే డివైడింగ్ అమ్మ అంటే ఎల్సిఎం చేస్తే 2 కదా 2 క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే సేమ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే 2 క్యూబ్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్లస్ దిస్ వన్ హోల్ క్యూబ్ 2 క్యూబ్ అంటే 8 దిస్ వన్ నథింగ్ బట్ cos 60 plus I into this value is nothing but sin 60 whole power 3. So 8 into this is de Moivre's theorem from the cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n unte cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So like this, cos 180 degrees plus sin 180 degrees. Cos 180 degrees is minus 1, sin 180 degrees is 0. So final solution is this one. So same like this another problem of them. So simple one, second one cheyachandi, try yourself. Next one, third problem I will explain it. Find the value of third problem. Second one homework, I will send a PDF. Find the value of root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 all power 8 5 minus root 3 by 2 minus I by 2 whole power 5. So this is a question number. So directly already normal form ichindi solution. This value is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is cos terms. Cos 30 degrees plus I into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means for sin value. The cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n form loki convert cheyali. So sin 1 by 2 ante nothing but sin value for 1 by 2 when you are getting sin 30 degrees whole power 5 minus this is a cos 30 minus I into 1 by 2 means sin 30 degrees whole power 5 cos 30 de Moivre's theorem applicable 5 into 30 plus I into sin 5 into 30 degrees. Next minus cos 5 into 30 degrees minus I into sin 5 into 30 degrees. So cos 5 3 is 15, 150 degrees plus I into sin 150 degrees minus cos 150 degrees minus into minus plus I sin 150 degrees. So any cancel are there? Yes. Plus I ఇది క్యాన్సల్ కానీ ఇది అవుతుంది. Okay, those are two cancels. One is plus, one is minus. Next one, 2i sin 150 degrees. Okay, 2i into sin 150 degrees means 90 plus 60 degrees. It can be written as a 90 plus 60. 1 into 90. 2i into 1 means sin will be get on cos function. 1 plus second quadrant already sin is positive. So plus are there 60. Sin 60 degrees is how much? 1 by 2. So 2 cancel. This value I. Okay, no, very simple. Already given that in the root 3 by 2 and plus I into 1 by 2 formula ఉన్నది. Already నార్మల్ ఫామ్లో ఉన్నదండి. అందుకని దాని డైరెక్ట్ రూట్ 3 by 2 అంటే కాస్ 30 degrees ప్లస్ 1 by 2 అంటే sin 30. ఇది కూడా అదండి. హోల్ పవర్ అని de Moivre's theorem అప్లికేట్ చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ దాన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే ఫైనల్ వీ గాట్ ద IM. ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయేమో ఐ విల్ సెండ్ ద PDF, try yourself some problems. Okay. Formulas కూడా ఒకసారి కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నటువంటి de Moivre's theorem ఓన్లీ cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta, where theta అనేది రియల్ నెంబర్ అండ్ n అనేది and ఇంటీజర్ అమ్మ. ఇంటీజర్స్ అంటే పాజిటివ్ ఉండొచ్చు, ఇది నెగిటివ్ ఉండొచ్చు. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద de Moivre's theorem. Continue the next class. Okay, thank you.